To fix a bathroom fan that is not working well, several issues may be the cause, including faulty or loose wiring, a burnt fan motor, or a dirty or clogged fan motor. To address these problems, start by checking and correcting the wiring system, which involves wearing protective gear and accessing the wiring from the switch to the fan to look for physical damage, corrosion, or looseness. A multimeter can also be used to check the wire's reading, and if any faults are found or the multimeter reads 0, the wiring system will need to be replaced. Another solution is to clean the fan, which requires disconnecting it from a power source, removing the fan cover, and cleaning the fan blades until they are free of debris, possibly using a vacuum cleaner. The fan itself should also be cleaned to remove any clogs, with a soft brush helpful for removing sticky dirt. After cleaning, reassemble the fan to see if the problem is resolved. If the issue is a burnt fan motor, it will need to be replaced by purchasing a new one, disconnecting the fan from a power source, removing it from its housing, detaching the motor from the assembly, and installing the new motor before reconnecting the fan to power to test if the problem is fixed. By following these steps, a bathroom fan that is not working well can be repaired.